Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own photos on the Alight Motion video editing app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Alight Motion application on your device, and once you open it up, continue with opening any of your saved projects or create a new one by tapping on the plus icon. Once you are inside your project, in order to add your own photos, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and now tap on Media. Within the Media page, you will be allowed to access the pictures and videos within your gallery. You can tap on the album within your gallery and then choose which album you would like to visit. Once you have chosen your photo that you want to add, it will be added onto your timeline, and now you will be able to make your desired edit along with this image on the Alight Motion app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your own image on Alight Motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.